Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. I've always wondered how well this particular tool works. And since the old Buick is going to be going to the scrapyard, we're going to take the pointy side and we're going to smack on it on this window and see what happens. Also wondered how much force it took. And part of the reason I'm doing this is because I can't open the doors with this to get inside. And I'd like to throw this into park because it's not. So let's see what it does. So we're going to take the pointy end. How'd that work? How'd that work? So what'd I do wrong? Ha! Okay, what am I doing wrong? So much for that. Okay, and since we're doing this, not that I have one of these in the car, but just for the hell of it. That did it. So if you want to get her done, you know what to use.